Hi everyone, today we will learn to find the area of a parallelogram. Well, firstly, you have learned what parallelogram is 5th grade. Now, let's remember what parallelogram is. This is a parallelogram. So, these are two. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral that has two pairs of parallel sides, and the opposite sides are also in the same length. So, parallelogram has two main properties. First one is the opposite sides are parallel and the opposite sides are in same length. Now, let's discover how can we find the area of a parallelogram. First of all, you should know what height of a parallelogram is to find the area of a parallelogram. Now, this is a parallelogram. Let's draw a line segment from side AB to CD. We can say that if this line segment perpendicular to both CD and AB, this line segment is called height of AB and CD. And the side which is perpendicular to height is called base. So, side AB and CD is perpendicular to height. So, these are base according to height EF. Well, let's draw another height between other opposite sides, which is AC and BD. So, again, I should draw a line segment from AC and BD, which is perpendicular to AC and BD. So, this line segment is height of AC and BD. And again, AC and BD is perpendicular to height GH. So, these are based according to height GH. Well, in general, height of a parallelogram is perpendicular distance between opposite side of the parallelogram. Well, now I will mention something you should be careful about. The measure of EF and GH are not equal because they are height of different sides. Well, EF and GH are not equal. Okay, do you remember that the distance between two parallel lines always stay same? Well, let's think about this information. We know that opposite sides of parallelogram are parallel. Well, in this parallelogram, AB and CD is parallel. So, we can say that the distance between these sides always stay same. So, all heights we can draw from AB to CD or vice versa should have equal length because AC and CD are parallel and distance between them always stays same. So, we can say that all of these heights are equal. Now, let's look at the opposite sides, which are AC and BD. These are parallel too. So, all heights along them are equal too. Now, I will draw one of the heights of these different parallelograms. If you want, you can draw other height of these parallelograms on your own. You can find the link of worksheet below the video. You can use ruler when you draw the heights. So, look at first parallelogram. I can draw heights like this. Look at second. I can draw a height like this. In third one, I can draw a height like this. And last one, I can draw a height like this. Now, we can find the area of a parallelogram. Let's draw a height like this. Now, if I cut this triangle and move it over here, we get a shape that is easier to work with. I don't take anything away. The entire area of a parallelogram is still there. So, the area of a parallelogram and the new shape are equal. Well, what is this new shape? Yes, I can hear you. This is a rectangle. Because the opposite side of this shape are parallel and all angles are right angle. Well, you know how to find the area of a rectangle. The area of a rectangle is length times width. As you can realize that the height of a parallelogram in the beginning is equal to width of rectangle. And the base according to this height and the length of rectangle are equal. So, as I said before, the area of this rectangle and parallelogram is equal. So we can say that the area of this parallelogram is height times base. Well, let's write this again. The area of a parallelogram is height times the side that is perpendicular to this height. As I said before, this is called base. So, area of a parallelogram is equal to height times base according to this height. Now, let's find the area of these parallelograms below. So, look at first one. As you can realize that the height is 4 centimeters. And this height is perpendicular to side CD. So, our base is CD. And this is 6 centimeters. And we know that the area of a parallelogram equal to height times base. So, the area is equal to 4 centimeter times 6 centimeters. So, the area is equal to 24 centimeters square. So, let's look at second one. The height is 3 centimeters. And this height is perpendicular to CD. So, our base is CD. And this is 5 centimeters. So, the area is 3 times 5. And this is equal to 15 centimeters square. Look at last one. So, our height is 6 centimeters. And this height is perpendicular to side BD. And this means that base is BD and this is 7 centimeters. And the area is equal to 6 times 7, which is equal to 42 centimeters square. Okay, this is the end of our videos. Hope to see you soon in other videos. Bye!